Hey guys, it's Rose and
Chloe,
and we're gonna
play with Play-Doh.
Yeah.
As you can see, Play-Doh.
Yeah. Found Play-Doh.
Play-Doh. Some of it's
Laid out.
okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna open all of these.
First, Chloe's gonna open the green one, and I will open.
This
the
is not
green
green.
one
It's
too.
red in here.
Well, yeah,
That's
it's
some
red.
Play-Doh. It's squishy. Squishy. Why is there a Shopkin in here? What the hell? Yeah. There's a Shopkin in here.
Ooh la la.
Shiny now.
Cool.
What the heck? Is this a Marty
Oh my God!
Party
There's another Shopkin.
That's
Oh my God! And
Sushi
her name's
Sushi.
Sushi, and that one is
a Marty Party hat.
yeah. Okay.
Wait. Me. Focus camera. Focus. Wait.
Focus.
Focus.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna put the green right here.
Well,
Sushi goes right here.
let's use these other ones. I'm gonna for this purple.
And you see them going there.
There,
Sushi.
now you can see them.
Sushi's not
Wait.
too big.
You can't.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it
whatever.
doesn't matter.
We'll just.
Okay. It doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter. Okay. Found a purple one. Get out. Ugh.
I'm gonna do
Wow,
the
this
pink
one's
one,
what?
orange one first. Now,
What is this doing in here? I haven't.
ooh,
It did another shop.
what's her name?
Fiona Fries.
Oh yeah.
I know.
Eh.
Why is this here? I just wanted to play with Play-Doh.
Yeah, we just want to
There's
play with
Play-Doh
Play-Doh.
in her hold.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get it out. I'll be back. I'm getting some fun with Rose's pencils. Actually,
Oh my God, there's another Shopkin in here.
what is it?
It's Poppy Popcorn. Wait, no. Oh my God.
Toasty Pop.
Toasty Pop. It's Toasty Pop.
I'm back.
Pop.
I have this thing
Toasty.
to take out the Play-Doh.
Ooh. Okay. You can go right here.
Okay, you can go right here. See,
We
Fiona
went shop
Fries.
today, and we found these in
Focus camera. Okay, there.
Okay. I'm gonna open this last one.
There's nothing in here. Hopefully, we can just play with
Yeah.
Play-Doh.
Yeah.
I'm gonna just look. Let me show you all the Shopkins we got. So, the first one that I got was
I don't think there's any Shopkins in this one.
Marty. Just check. It's a Marty Party hat. Let's see. Focus. Okay. And then Rose got
I don't know if there's any Shopkins.
Susie Sushi.
Yeah, there's Sushi.
And then I got
Fiona Fries.
Fiona Fries. And then she got Toasty Pop. And then there's no more Shopkins. There's no more Shopkins. So now we can
No
just play with
Shopkins.
Play-Doh.
Wait, I
Ow.
think I feel something. Oh man! And this
Silly
is silly chili.
Silly
I got the
chili.
other color.
Look. Silly chili.
Yeah. We never knew there's Shopkins in here.
Yes. We just wanted to
Yes.
play with Play-Doh for you guys.
Yeah.
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 Oh, don't fall over. I'm going to throw Shopkins at you.
And the Shopkins right there.
Yeah.
There's my post.
That's nothing. Nah. I'm going to throw Play-Doh at you.
Yeah.
No, green. Wait. Pink. That's red.
It's pink.
It looks like pink, but it's red.
It's pink.
Look.
It's hot pink.
Okay. See?
Mm.
So it's green Play-Doh.
Why is my tongue blue?
You ate fruit roll-up.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay, bye-bye, people.
No, we're not done. We're not.
Oh. What are we going to do now?
Yeah, okay.
So
sadly, this is the end of the episode. We hope you guys enjoyed our video. Don't forget to subscribe down below. And we'll see you guys next time.
Bye, people.